Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today let's try and make something like a fur material, something stylized. So let's go. The first thing I will try to do is create my pattern, and this pattern I will try use the let me see, splatter circular with a big size, something like this, scale random. Let's try make some warp on this. I will just make a very big purling noise and make the warp, and blend back with a shape. Maybe something like this should work well. Like this. But I will just create a levels to invert this value. Maybe I can just we'll create a levels to increase the white and decrease the white right back here. Can make the same thing right here. Feel like this should work. So what we will try to do is create a tile sampler with a pattern input, some scale random. Let me decrease the X and Y amount, scale down, and position random. Let's rotate. Okay. I will duplicate this one, and what we'll do is create like a base fur shape, and this one can be a simple rigid bell. We'll decrease the black. Like this. And let's create a gradient. This multiply should work. We'll just make a directional warp. Can connect to the same purling noise. Like this. Let me increase the X and Y. can create a levels right here to increase this. I will take off the rotation random because I can use a Perlin noise like this, and right here in the rotation map input I will put this Perlin noise and I will increase the rotation map multiplier to make something like this. So if I connect right here, you can see how my shape is looking. I will try to increase the X and Y. Let me decrease the roughness. And make a high normal map. Okay. I will try to decrease the size. Now I think it's looks better. Maybe I can use the trapezoid to make the top smaller. Can just go back here in tiling mode and change to no tiling. Like this. Okay, perfect. And what we will do is simple. Let me go back here and I will try to make auto levels. Like this, but at the same time I will go back here in the color. I can use the color random, as you can see. But how my color random will work, I will take the style sampler pattern, I will try to make this, so let me decrease more the X and Y amount, increase the scale a little bit. And right here we have the color map input, and I will connect this one right here. And what I will try to do is decrease the color map random and use the color parameters. So let's see what's happened. Looks a little bit weird. So what I will try to do is try to follow another way. So let's go back right here. I will just create a level itself to make this better and make the color random. Like this. And what I will do is create a graded map with the base as orange. if I connect this one right here, you can see the result. Can decrease the normals. I will make the invert grayscale because I will create a curvature smooth. And put this one in my roughness. I will use the histogram range to control this position. And what I will try to do with this fur material is I will go back here. Let me try to make this more soft, like this. And I will create a gradient map for this one. Then right here I will have a dark brown. This one is more soft. And the opacity. What I will do is very simple. I will try to make a directional warp for this color map using this one. And let's try multiply. I think I got a better idea. Instead, make this complex pattern. I can try to use only this one. Shape. Let's go back to the shape. I think we have a pattern right here. This one. This one can be very useful now. We create a slope just to the form and a levels. Let's go back. Try to make a multiply. I will just try duplicate this one to see if I can get a better result. Take So just trying to make some few changes. You can make this smaller. But of course you decide the size you want for your pattern. I like this one, I think it's very stylized. It's very interesting. I think it's more uniform, this one. I think it's better without this. Just with some dark points on surface. I think will be better in that way. Let's go take off this ambient occlusion. Think will be better. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and I see you next time.